Let's talk about once people's favorite coin, TIA, also known as Celestia. It's sitting at $1.65 right now. And of course, it hurts to talk about it like this because this is a coin that used to be at prices of $21, and the starting price of this coin was $1.9. And of course, then it just kept on going down and down and down, and it created a new low at 1.3. Of course, right now it is sitting at 1.6. So let's talk about TIA. Where the hell is it going in terms of long term and short term? Now with TIA, those who watch my channel, watch my video, you shouldn't have suffered, because way before TIA's crash, Arbitrum's crash, and few other coins, I shared that these coins are going to go horribly down. With TIA, I even mentioned that it will go back to its starting price of $1.9. There are videos out there. They are easy to predict. Even with meme coins, it is easy. Like Trump and Melania, on the day one, after 3 hours of launch of its coin, I mentioned that Trump will come back to $9, and of course it went way higher, and I told everyone to book money. It will go back down. These things are easy to predict because there is only so much room in the market. And of course, when it comes to TIA and Arbitrum and projects like this, they are great projects, but the thing is they have horrible tokenomics. When your economy is sucky, you can't keep up, and that's the case scenario with Pyth and so many other coins. Anyway, talking about TIA's long-term perspective, long-term of TIA is not that exciting. It's not going to go back to $21. But if you're looking for something like 200-300% of profit, yes, I would agree to it. If we get a bullish market, if you have a bull run, things are really super awesome. TIA is sitting at 1.6 from here. You want it to go up 200%, 100 to 200%. I can pretty much agree to that it can go to 3.2, and then it can add another 4.2 and then 6, that's 4.8, almost to a $5 area. I'll pretty much bite it and I'll say, okay, yeah, that is possible. But that's the maximum stretch after what it has gone through with the overall inflation. But in the short term, we talked about long term, let's talk about short term. What do we expect? For that, I'll go back and check when was the last time I talked about TIA, and we do a catch up from there. So last time we talked about TIA was 20th of July. Wow. 20th of August, that's 1 month and 9 more days. That's 1 month and 9 days. 1 month and 10 days. Okay. At that time, it was sitting at $2.1, for the love of God. My God. It has only gone down. This just sucks. We had a support at 1.9. Obviously, this is starting price of this coin, and this is why we had a support at this. If it had held on, it would have shot up towards 2.6. If it wouldn't hold, then it would go down towards the area of 1.34. And that's pretty much it about TIA at that particular point of time. After 1 month, let's see what the hell has happened. I don't know if I have that kind of old chart. No, it is on 4 hours. That was on 1 day. Anyway, it did manage to come down, and it struggled with it, and it continued the downward journey. If you look at it, this is your area of 1.9. It failed to hold on to it. It did try to capture it again. Of course it couldn't, and then it turned into a resistance, and right now of course it is sitting at 1.6. So it's a straightforward case scenario. Other than that, you can see it is clearly under the downward trend. This is your downward trend line, and a break is at 1.9. So under a simple straightforward case scenario of a story, if TIA wants to get bullish, it needs to break above 1.9, spend 2 days above it, then it is going to shoot up towards 2.6. If TI is not able to do that, TI can do all kinds of drama, go here, go there, go to 1.5, 1.7. Eventually it will go down to 1.3, and it's as simple as that. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.